Nice Construction presents Nice Construction, an emerging real estate development company. A dynamic group has been adding status to you through its innovative projects. Nice Park, premium residential complex. A home can only be luxury if it is well connected with the city. Nice Park is located at Shield, near Shield Junction, well connected at Old Mumbai-Pune National Highway 4. Very near to upcoming metro junction at Taloja to Shield Kalyan Fata to Dombivli. Central location of Kalyan, Thane, Airoli, New Mumbai, Kharghar. Upcoming major developing Palava city. Upcoming connectivity Shield Fata to Diva, to Bhiwandi, to Western Express Highway. This ideal location also allows convenience, Kalsekar Hospital, Kalsekar College, Symbiotic School, Dosti International School, sports facilities like cricket stadium at Talaupali, Mumra. Nice Park, premium residential complex, a well-planned layout considering top-class living amenities such as a stilt plus 14-floor 2-tower, stilt plus 7-floor 2 buildings with well-equipped clubhouse, garden, children play area, etc. A stylish, new-age design, intelligent and unique elevation. It is a fulfilling experience as each home has access to a variety of facilities that comes just from being part of this state-of-the-art residential complex. The new-age design and architecture. Where else will you find the enchanting combination of wafting towering buildings that you can call home? Welcome to the uniquely designed Eco Clubhouse, hosting finest facilities for recreation and rejuvenation like. The clubhouse reception area alone indicates how great your experience will be. In a healthy body resides a healthy mind. Well-equipped state-of-the-art gym in your complex. There is no way calories and fats will bother you. Be as fit as a fiddle. With your friends, enjoy facility of pool table, table tennis, soccer game. Be a water baby. Move your limbs in the pristine blue waters of this indoor lagoon swimming pool. Lush green gardens feel the serenity of nature with jogging track, green lawn, senior citizen corner. Enjoy with your loved one. Spacious kids play area. Well-road connectivity. Nice Park is one of the finest residential complex. Modern designed gate with 24/7 security and CCTV. Come, enter your well-deserved dream home in total style. Well-designed spacious lobby. Spacious living room gives the impression of an unending and enduring dining area optimizes the space of your living room and large balcony. Complete pollution-free environments, green surroundings and lush green gardens. Toss up some delicious and mouth-watering dishes every day in the comfort of your spacious kitchen. The master bedroom showcases your grandeur perfectly. There is enough space of every luxury to fit in. Refresh your body and soul inside the bathrooms, when you can feel your own breath. When you can hear your own heartbeat, you know you're relaxed, you're home. Indeed, it all begins with a dream, and that is true about life. And this all new stylized home, we invite you to realize your dream to a matchless experience. You will never surface the same again. We promise. Nice Park, Premium Residential Complex,